Hi guys, what's going on? This is Michael Rock, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use ClassInCam. But first, let's make it clear, what is this application about? ClassInCam is an application made by Classin team that you can download directly from their official website. And as you can probably guess from its name, it makes some changes to your camera and to your appearance. And there are so many things that you can tune and tweak according to your personal preferences. I'll divide this video into 4 different parts and explore 4 different tabs of this application: video, beauty, stickers, and background. And before we start, I just want to say that if you want to get 1 free trial month and explore all Classin amazing features in a business version, just use my link down below in the description. Alright, so let's dive into Classin. But before we start, we need to download ClassInCam first. So just go to classin.com, then click on the download button and scroll a little bit down and choose ClassInCam. Here in my tutorial it says ClassInCam for Mac, but if you're going to download it using Windows computer, it will automatically switch to the Windows version. After you installed ClassInCam, you need to log into your Classin account to activate all its available features. Okay, so we've got our first tab opened, and this is a video tab. Here on the left side we have this gray screen with a plus icon in the middle. So to start adding our video source, we have 2 options basically. The first one, you click on this icon and then choose add video source, then choose local camera, and then in my case it says FaceTime HD camera. In your case it probably would be called different. I can also clean the source now by right clicking here and choosing clear video source. Another way to get the same result is to choose right here in the menu video source type, choose local camera, then select camera and FaceTime HD camera. So here, as you can see, you have different adjustments. You can choose the rotation angle, and also you can mirror your video, zoom, adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation. Another cool feature here is that you can right click on the camera area and then choose add channel, and after that you can choose local camera, web camera, or local image. It's very convenient if you want to add another video source or image. For example, like this. You can also position it anywhere and send it back or bring it forward. Alright, so let's go to the next tab that calls beauty. And at the moment I'm recording this video, you have only 1 available adjustment that also calls beauty. So yeah, here you can play with the slider and see how your face and skin change. Alright, the next tab calls stickers. Here you can choose between dynamic and static stickers. If you choose dynamic stickers, ClassInCam uses a face recognition system that tracks your face and applies stickers at the correct position. Let's try to apply some of them and see how do they look like. Yeah, I think they all look amazing. And now let's check the static tab, and here you can add static stickers, and moreover you can resize them, rotate, and even upload your own images and use them as stickers. To do that, click the upload button, choose the image, and click on the open button. So now you can use this image as a sticker. Alright, and the last tab calls background. Here you can choose a virtual background and apply it to your video source. You can blur your background or choose one of the templates. Let's choose some of them to see how do they look like. Or you can upload your own image and use it as a background as well. Okay, and now the most important question is how to use ClassInCam in Classin. Actually, it's very easy. The only thing that you need to do is to open Classin, then click on this icon and choose ClassInCam virtual camera. And yeah, Right now you get the video directly from ClassInCam, and you can change stickers and background directly, and all changes will be visible in your classroom. Alright guys, so that was a short review of ClassInCam, and I would really like to know what do you think about this application, so feel free to share your thoughts and ideas down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy this kind of content, I would really appreciate if you can hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you very, very soon in the next video.